Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best vinyl cutter machines on the market right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, professional crafter, or small business owner, these machines are designed to take your creativity to the next level. We'll be highlighting features, performance, and value so you can make the best decision for your needs. As always, you can find product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 4, we have the Silhouette Cameo 5, a 12-inch vinyl cutter that delivers professional-level precision and cutting performance. This machine features the brand's new IPT technology, which optimizes cutting orders to handle sharp angles and multi-layered designs without tearing. It's designed for precision, with a sturdy, belt-driven chassis that ensures consistent results even on intricate projects. The Cameo 5's design is simple and modern, with a white finish and a compact footprint. It's slightly heavier than some competitors, but its robust build quality justifies the weight. The machine is quieter than its predecessors, a big win for those working in shared spaces. It also includes studio software, which is beginner-friendly but offers enough depth for advanced users. While this cutter is great for professionals and hobbyists alike, it does come with some limitations. Its active surface area is smaller than some competitors, and it doesn't support matless cutting. Additionally, the price is not readily available, making it harder to compare value. However, if precision and durability are your top priorities, the Silhouette Cameo 5 is a strong contender with a proven track record in the crafting community. At number 3, we have the Vivor Vinyl Cutter Machine, a 28-inch cutting plotter that offers exceptional capacity and precision for its price. With a maximum cutting width of 24.8 inches and paper feed precision of up to 118 inches, this machine is perfect for large-scale projects like car decals, traffic signs, and banners. It features adjustable cutting pressure and speed, making it versatile enough for a variety of materials. The design is robust, with a metal body that enhances stability and durability. The illuminated LCD control panel is easy to navigate, and the D-typed motherboard ensures smooth operation. However, it's worth noting that this machine is only compatible with Windows systems, which could be a deal-breaker for Mac users. This cutter is ideal for professionals or small business owners who need a reliable, high-capacity machine. While it lacks the sleekness and portability of some competitors, its performance and versatility make it a great value at $258.99. The main drawbacks are its Windows-only compatibility and the learning curve associated with its SignMaster software. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the Cricut Joy Extra Cutting Machine. This budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners or casual crafters. It's compact, lightweight, and ideal for small projects like greeting cards, stickers, and simple vinyl designs. The Joy Extra works with over 50 materials and includes the Print Then Cut feature, which allows you to print full-color designs and cut them with precision. The design is sleek and portable, making it easy to store and transport. The Cricut Design Space app is intuitive and loaded with pre-made templates, so even first-time users can get started quickly. However, its smaller active surface area means it's not ideal for large projects, and it lacks the cutting force of higher-end models. Priced at just $179, the Cricut Joy Extra offers excellent value for those dipping their toes into the crafting world. While it may not have the versatility or power of premium models, its ease of use and affordability make it a fantastic choice for beginners or those with limited space. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cricut Explore 4 Smart Cutting Machine. This premium option is the ultimate choice for serious crafters and small business owners. It supports over 100 materials, from vinyl and iron-on HTV to cardstock and specialty papers. The included engagement bundle provides everything you need to get started, including smart vinyl, transfer tape, tools, and a library of 25 digital images. The Explore 4 is designed for versatility and precision. The Smart Materials feature allows for matless cutting, making it perfect for longer projects. It also integrates seamlessly with the Cricut Design Space app, which offers extensive design options and tutorials. The Print Then Cut feature is compatible with most inkjet printers, enabling you to create professional quality stickers and labels. At $299, this machine is the most expensive on our list, but its robust features and included extras make it worth the investment. Ideal for professionals and dedicated hobbyists, the Cricut Explore 4 is the best all-around vinyl cutter for those who demand quality, versatility, and ease of use. The only downside, you'll need to commit to the Cricut ecosystem for optimal results. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions about these vinyl cutter machines, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.